Good morning. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial of my home page and how to access information and assignments. So on this 3BD home page, and I'm just using this as an example, but it's the same for 10 Honors and English 11. Everything looks pretty similar. So yesterday, for example, I was out with a sick child, so I posted an announcement on the home page so that was very clear to access that announcement. I don't do announcements a ton. But if I do, I will post them at the top like that. In order to attend our Zoom class each day at the assigned time, you just click on that first blue link. I also have a link here for office hours. For English 11, that's from 1 to 2 p.m. on Wednesdays, and for English 10 Honors, that's from 2 to 3 p.m. Subject to change. I wanted also on the homepage just to do something really clean so that you knew when assignments were due. So I did this calendar, and it just has what's due on the respective days and how many points it is worth. Okay, in terms of the modules, so modules are where you'll find all of your assignments. I organize my modules by week, and let me just fix this because generally what I do is have the weekly slides at the top. And that's kind of your guide for the week. So on the first slide, it just says what week it is and what class it is. And then I also list the assessed assignments. That way, if you're absent, you can just pop right on and you know what you missed or what is being assessed and how many points it is. Looks like for vocab 2, I forgot to put the point value, so I'll add that. I also include any instructions verbally that you need. So you see that video link there for YouTube so you can listen to the assignments. Each day has a slide with an agenda and learning targets, and then any other links that you need to complete the assignments. Okay, so these are more formative assessments that we would complete together as a class, and then you see a link to one of the texts, and then a link to a Google form. And all of those were assignments that were not assessed. Okay, and again, this is the second day for the week, so again, you have the agenda, learning targets, and associated assignments. Now, if I go back to the modules, you will see the daily attendance. So this is for October 26th, and I use the attendance tab as kind of like a bullet point for that day. So anything that's indented under that daily attendance link is an assignment for that day. So those would be your assessed assignments. So the first assessed assignment is there. And again, we have 1029 attendance, and then underneath there, indented are the assignments for that day. Okay, I'm back at the home page. Just a reminder, office hours are posted on that home page, and you would just click that link to attend. If you would like to meet with me or Mrs. Cassell on a more personal level, then you would just need to reach out through the inbox. So that's the best way to communicate with us. So you just go to your inbox by clicking on it, and then you would click on that compose new message button. Okay, so I am now on Mrs. Norkett's homepage for her 11 Honors 2AC. I'm a student in this class just so that we could practice a few things. So you see there's a to-do list, so that tells all the announcements, and then there's also recent feedback. So the recent feedback is important because that's where you can see any feedback from your teacher. So it tells the submission details, tells me when I submitted this, October 2nd at 9:46. It was late. There is this view feedback button. Now this isn't going to work because I didn't actually complete the assignment, but when I enter feedback, it'll show up in this new link here so you can view my comments. And I do a lot of comments on the document itself in that way. So that's how you would be able to view the feedback. Also in this far right hand corner is any comments from the teacher. So Mrs. Norkett wrote to me, can you see this? I'm trying to figure out if this would be a good place for me to say this to the students, hey, this assignment is missing. I said, yo, teacher, regrade my assignment. So you can comment back to your teacher as well. After you view feedback, it says preview your submission, view teacher feedback if available. You can then make changes on that document, save, and then resubmit the assignment. So we always take resubmissions for an assignment if you want additional credit. The only time that's not allowed is on some tests and quizzes. All right, if you have any further questions, please let me know. I'm trying to make sure that you are aware of everything you need to be aware of in terms of the home page and how to contact me in resubmitting materials.